Oops.
Bless
you.
Wow!
Is it the other way?
Anyway.
Yeah. I'm going towards the wrong one. So... I have to go towards there, so I'm going the opposite direction.
Also, by the way, congratulations. This is the first time I've ever fully sneezed on stream. And it was you. You
Bless you!
made it happen.
I didn't hear it! What? Did you mute?
No.
What?
Maybe
what?
I don't think Discord caught it. Maybe.
Did Discord not pick it up?
Yeah.
Or did I completely zone out?
I don't know.
Wait, no, I heard you! You said a chew!
You said bless you, yeah.
I said bless you!
Yeah, you did say bless you. Did you not remember?
I don't even process saying bless you to people sneezing, I guess. It's just automatic.
Yeah.
Hoping I'll find a shrimp of us.